What's up, guys? Today we're going to do a breakdown of the E-mini for October 24th, 2025. It's going to be a 10-minute breakdown where we talk about market cycle, market context, trap traders, and setups. With that being said, it is Sunday. I'm dropping this video at the end of the week. I was busy all weekend, just kind of working. But I got some good news for everyone. The automated robot that I had purchased, I did not design. I want to be fully transparent with you guys. I did not design this. I purchased this from someone. It worked. It climbed its way out of a drawdown, and I got a $80 payout from the prop firm. I didn't want to do a big payout because I just wanted to see if it would actually work and would the prop firm pay me, and they did. So now I'm actually gonna just let it build itself up and see what we can do. So really cool things on that end because that was fully automated. And yeah, futures, it was all right. Had an iffy day. I took a trade right here. I got stopped out. Oh no, this is the trade I took. Got stopped out, and then you can see it did go to my target, and looking back on it, I had a skunk stop, so it is what it is. Stopped out there, missed this rally, and I actually, honestly, I did kind of break the system, but we had a big gap up, trading range behavior, moving one day, and I faded this bar, so I just shorted here, and my target was going to be right around here, or this low. It was a futures contract, so I just held all the way through this, and I exited here, so it was profitable by a couple $100, but yeah, it was a sideways day, not too much action, took a couple trades and was still profitable. Again, I'm doing this on a Sunday, so what you're seeing right now is the overnight session. We have a really big gap up and looks like it's getting rejected. Yeah, pretty big gap up and starting to reverse, so be interesting to see what type of week we have. Hopefully we get some volatility. Don't like sideways price action. Anyways, gonna be a quick one. Big gap up, bar one. You can see there's bear bars in it. It sells off and then rallies, trapping bears, and then gets followed through bars 2 and 3. Bar 3 is an inside bar. You can see that. Bar 3 is an inside bar. Bar 4 breaks out and then reverses. Inside bars break out and reverse a lot, and then look even below it. Bar 5 breaks out and reverses, and then we get a rally. 6, 7, 8. Another inside bar, bar 9. I saw this inside bar and I like this setup because inside bars that have a breakout can get retested. So look, this inside bar, it broke out to the upside, bad close, sells off, breaks out to the downside, bad close, rallies. This inside bar actually had a breakout with follow through, and it gets retested on 15 and you catch a leg too. If you didn't want to trade an inside bar, you could just say bars 9 to the low of 13. Shot take a second leg down, and it does. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, deep pullback, trading range behavior. I'm not taking that short because of the gap up, but it did work in this situation. Once I saw this rally 18 to 23, I thought that was climactic from a big gap up, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, or you could say leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, wedge bottom. I think there's a lot of reasons to take that short. Not in my system, but that was a more context dependent trade. Bears short down here. The market rallies. They're going to trap them. They want to get out break even, looking for that 50% pullback. But we're in a trading range, so some bears are going to short higher and scale in and make profit on the sell off down here. So let me show you. So it's a trading range. So the bears may not exit. So they short down here. They short up here. Look at 39, bounces off the 50% mark. And you can see there's your leg 1, leg 2 that actually never really gets tagged. So you'd have to scalp out or just be oscillating within profits, not profits. This is a slow day. Not every day is going to be a strong day like that sell-off day we had. Where was it? Yeah, this was a crazy day for me. Not every day is going to be like that. So nice rally, deep pullback, prolonged pullback, leg 1, pullback. Or actually, look at this. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, led to a second leg here. So wedge bottom, testing right around here, testing the high of 15. Rallies, doesn't quite make it back to the 23 high, but you could take a scalp, and then sells off 35 through to the 39 low. The problem with this is now we have a rally and a sell-off, so that's going to put us in a trading range, which we already kind of knew because of the opening. It was a trading range. And yeah, we go into a trading range for the majority of, for the entire day until we get a small breakout, but we're still within the 18 through 23 rally. So this breakout was still within this range. It's a breakout, but it's a breakout within a trading range. Bar 40, big bull bar closing out its high, followed through 41, showing off to get second leg. So bear short down here. They're gonna short more up here. Get out, break even. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. Look at this leg right here. I said leg 1, pull back leg 2, but it was also made up of 3 legs. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Testing right here and leads to a small sell-off from the high of 52 to the low of 55. Then trading range behavior, delayed second leg. Bulls try and make a new high. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Failed to make a new high on bar 61, and that leads to a sell-off. Leg 1, delayed pullback, leg 2. And then this entire structure gets its second leg right here. Very quick. It's a quick scalp. So this structure got a second leg, and then this structure got a second leg, and that came in a 2-legged pullback. Trading ranges are confusing. I think I'm making this a little bit more confusing than it has to be, but what I'm doing is counting legs for both sides. So here's the second leg, leg 1, pullback leg 2. This is strong to get second leg up, and it does right around here. But in the process of this leg getting its second leg up, the pullback gets a second leg, which is what I just talked about right here. And then that tests right here and gets its second leg right around the high, right, trading around the high of the day, and then sells off 69.70. 2 bars closing on a low, could get possible small second leg, and it does. 72, 73, 74. 3 bear bars in a row, and we get a breakout bar 75. Immediate pullback testing right here, no gap, but then it sells off. Climactic bar 78, and that's where I made most of my money. Anyways, guys, again, it was just a quick one. I apologize for doing this late. If you're in the Discord, you know I'm gonna go on a nasty sprint here when it comes to working 9 to 5s, because I have proof that the automated system works. So I want to funnel as much money as I can. I'm taking 1 to 2 scalps a day, and I'm just gonna scale every way possible. Scale the options account, scale the futures account, scale the automated robot, and if it doesn't work, well, I still tried. Anyways, thanks for your time, everyone. Talk to you later. Have a good weekend. Bye. Or have a good week. Bye.